Most learners struggle with English because they keep translating in their heads. Rico was exactly like that. He would think in his native language, translate every word, and then try to speak. That's why English always felt slow, frustrating, and exhausting. Translation isn't helping, it's training hesitation. Every sentence becomes double work for the brain. Imagine typing a message twice every time you want to send it. That's what happens when you translate first. Lara noticed Rico's struggle and explained the simple truth. English fluency doesn't come from grammar rules or memorizing tenses. It comes from thinking in English directly. The moment Rico understood this, a small relief washed over him. No more mental buffering, no more panicking mid sentence. They started with tiny English thoughts: hungry, tired, happy, late, no translation, just meaning. Slowly, Rico's brain began to adapt. Thoughts became quicker, speaking became natural, confidence started to grow. You don't need perfection, you need the right system. By thinking in English first, your mind stops overloading and fluency begins to appear naturally. Try it today. Think in English for a few minutes. Notice how much smoother your speech feels and how much lighter your mind becomes.